What is heap sort?
Heap sort is a comparison-based sorting algorithm that uses a special tree-based data structure called a heap. It efficiently organizes unsorted data, making it possible to sort large lists or arrays using a predictable sequence of steps. Heap sort is well known for its reliability, speed, and consistent performance, especially when handling large data sets.
Understanding the heap data structure.
A heap is a complete binary tree where each parent node is either greater than or equal to its children, max heap, or less than or equal to its children, min heap. For heap sort, the max heap is most commonly used. This structure allows for quick access to the largest element, making repeated extraction and sorting efficient.
How heap sort works.
Heap sort begins by transforming the unsorted data into a max heap. Once the heap is built, the largest element is at the root. The algorithm swaps this with the last element, shrinks the effective size of the heap, and reheapifies the remaining values. This process repeats until all elements are sorted from smallest to largest.
Benefits and performance.
The heap sort offers several advantages. Its time complexity is always O(n) log n, regardless of the data's initial order. Unlike some sorting algorithms, it doesn't require extra memory as it sorts in place. Heap sort is especially useful for handling very large files or streams because of its predictable performance.
Where is heap sort used?
Heap sort is popular in applications where efficiency and reliable performance are essential, such as scheduling systems, selection algorithms, and when sorting extremely large data sets that cannot fit in memory. Its in-place sorting and predictable speed make it valuable in both theoretical and real-world computing problems.